These are drywall screws, shorter ones for the first layer and longer ones for the second layer. I have my battery here, recharging a tool belt. This is flexible mass. I will show you later how I use it. Glasses. The height of the ceiling is 3.3 meters, and I'm doing this work alone, so I couldn't do it without this lift. It's really cheap to rent it as well. So, and here I have my impact drill with a special tip, and I have some ladders, and these I use for cutting the drywall. So as you can see here, I already started to place drywall on the ceiling. This is the first layer, and this is the second layer. And the second layer I just cut the drywall in half, so the joints wouldn't be on the same place. And here you can see this is the first layer joint, this is the second layer's joint, so they're not on the same place. So I used flexible mass for the first layer, so I will cover all the joints with this flexible mass. As you can see here, I have done the edges as well. So this last piece actually fitted quite perfectly. I thought that it's going to be Murphy's Law, that I'm going to struggle with this one, but yeah, it's good. Now I have to get this lift back to the rental place. So yeah, job done.